Google searches show a sharp break from the past. 60% end without a single click. But in AI overviews, the behavior is extreme. 99 out of 100 users read the summary and decide right there. Only 1% click a link. For decades, digital marketing relied on a linear sequence: rank, click, browse, and call. Today's clients move faster, contacting only one professional. This speed forces the old sequence to compress into a tight loop. Ask the machine, rate the summary, make the call. With clicks in decline, a firm's growth depends on a single new factor, whether the AI names them as the primary source in its summary. Imagine a user asks their phone for the best trucking wreck lawyer on Interstate 45. They aren't going to get 10 blue links anymore. The AI reads, synthesizes, and confidently recommends one specific firm. To these systems, brand represents the machine's total measure of recognition, understanding, and localized trust. It is the assessment of whether a firm is an authority in its specific jurisdiction. The algorithm is no longer just counting how many other websites point to yours to establish authority. It is evaluating your absolute legitimacy for that specific legal question in that specific city. To make a firm perfectly legible to a machine, developers use structured data, or schema. These are hidden tags that translate generic website text into explicit labels the algorithm natively understands, clearly identifying your entity as a law firm, noting your exact location, and categorizing your practice area. But structure alone isn't enough. Your name, practice focus, and locations have to agree everywhere you appear online. When your website, your business profiles, and your directory listings all broadcast the exact same structured data, the machine's algorithms pulse with a high-confidence signal. Because AI systems guess conservatively, a single mismatched address or conflicting practice area causes that confidence to collapse. The machine simply skips you and cites the competitor who organized their data better. Once the technical foundation is set, the AI looks for a tiebreaker in your content. Google evaluates this using a standard called EEAT, and they recently added a second E that stands for experience. Slapping an author biography at the bottom of a page does not satisfy this requirement. The machine is looking for the actual texture of first-hand observation, details about real courtroom outcomes, how a specific county adjuster negotiates, and local legal nuances. The internet is overflowing with interchangeable templated articles where a city name is simply swapped out. Search algorithms are actively being trained to detect and discount this kind of shallow, generic writing. Physical, lived legal experience is the singular signal that competitors cannot outspend and AI content mills cannot fake. It is an interesting irony. In a digital ecosystem saturated with machine-generated noise, algorithms are forced to seek out and reward authentic physical reality over manufactured marketing. The era of beating competitors by simply outspending them on massive link-building schemes is closing. This new reality has created a discipline known as answer engine optimization, or AEO. It is the process of combining clear technical legibility with unfakeable substance to win AI citations. Firms must move quickly. Machine confidence is sticky. Accurate citations and expert content compound, anchoring you deeply into the local digital network. Once established as the default local AI answer, it becomes almost impossible for latecomers to displace you. AI search has dismantled old marketing tricks. Systems now reward the exact same qualities that careful clients have always valued: clarity, consistency, and genuine expertise.